Respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends, a very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we are celebrating 76th Independence Day. It is one of the most important day for Indian people. On 15th August 1947, we got freedom from British rule. British ruled over India for more than 150 years, during which they divided us and controlled us. Thousands of freedom fighters sacrificed for the freedom of the country. This is the day to remember the sacrifices of freedom fighters whose efforts gave us independence. Great freedom fighters like Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Mahatma Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar, etc. devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. Today, we are free to do anything because of great Indian freedom fighters. They would always be in our memories. Now, after many years of independence, our country is on the right track of development. Let me finish my speech by requesting everyone to take a pledge today that improve yourself as rational, sensitive, disciplined citizen of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.